Hi everyone and welcome back to Mad Investor. So we're going to use MEXC exchange to buy the Venom, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. There are also link in the description of this video to register on the MEXC exchange so you can grab extra perks, which is off trading fees. So the first thing, register on MEXC so we actually have the account here, and what we're going to do. We're gonna buy a Venom here. By the way, if you have some crypto, you can just use the wallet and just deposit some money here. If you don't have money, then what you would need to do, you would need to buy with a card. And I'm gonna show you quickly how to do it in just a few steps. So after you'll register your account or log in, remember you'll need to go through the KYC verification to actually be able to buy with the fiat, and you'll need to go through the advanced KYC verification. So after, obviously, if you have crypto, you can use the deposit option. If you do not have crypto, go to wallets and press buy crypto. And you will be able to buy crypto with a card in a really simple matter. I'm going to show you how does it work. So I'm going to choose the one to use USD. As an example, I'm going to buy, let's say 15 bucks of USDT. So we're going to use USDT for it. For 15 bucks, I'm going to receive 14.7, and we're going to use a card for it. So I'm going to press buy USDT. Please link your card. So I'm going to press link now. And now I need to fill in all the card details. That's what you'll have to do as well. After linking a card, it will say success. And you'll just need to probably refresh the page, as I remember, because it won't immediately appear. Yeah, so now again, I need to choose the USD. I'm gonna put 15 as before. Payment method, it immediately picked up my card, which is my debit card, and I'm gonna press buy USDT. I'm gonna receive 14.7 USDT for it. Then it'll go with my Revolut, because I use Revolut for it, and I'll have to confirm the transaction. So after confirming the transaction, it will say payment is successful. You'll receive the assets in a few seconds. I can go to view my assets. And here I should see in a second. Yes, I have already 14.7. Yes, is it here? It says already on the top, but maybe it's not on the spot. Let's see in the overview. So, okay, so I have it, I think, in the fiat wallet. Yes, I have USDT on the fiat wallet. So first I need to transfer it from the fiat wallet to spot, because we're gonna need to trade. So I'm gonna transfer. You've transferred assets to the trade account. Would you like to trade now? Yes, but I'm going to show you how does it work if you already have the money here. So I have already money on the spot wallet. So you can see that it's here. If you don't see it, you might have the option for hide small balances. So I can see I have 1470. So I'm going to go to trade. And then it tells me this is my assets. Yes, great. I just freshly set it up for you to show you how does it work from the start. And now on the top here, when it says MEXC USDT, I'm going to type Venom. And I'm going to look for a Venom USDT. And here I'm going to choose that I want not the limit, but the market price, which is easier. And then I'm going to choose all the available amounts and buy Venom. So now great, I just bought Venom. It's submitted successfully. So I can see I have 28.4 of the Venom. See you soon, and well, I wish you all the best luck. Rafael Sibila here, Mad Investor.
Mad investors in town, sharing hidden treasures we found. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, his knowledge knows no bounds. Unlocking the secrets of the blockchain.